Check the top crates first, make sure they match the manifest.
Looks good. We can move the next shipment into lane 3.
FIFO staging and clear identification preserve traceability from the first step.
Representative sampling supports objective inbound quality checks.
Basic chemistry and temperature confirm suitability before release to processing.
Non-conforming lots are quarantined to protect the main process.
Controlled transfer prevents cross-contamination between zones. Gentle dumping feeds the wash line while minimizing damage.
Flume washing loosens soil with gentle hydraulic action.
Spray rinsing removes remaining soil after flume washing. Sanitizer concentration and contact time are verified for microbial control.
Final rinsing. Final rinsing removes sanitizer residues before further handling.
Air knives remove residual moisture without damaging the fruit. Post-wash inspection confirms cleanliness before sorting.
Optical sorting removes remaining defects with consistent criteria.
Verify rejects.
Clean transfer maintains hygiene as peppers move to preparation.
Trimming removes inedible parts before size reduction.
Seed removal improves texture and prevents bitterness in puree. A visible split separates puree material from fiber byproduct. Uniform dicing ensures efficient and even grinding. Finds texture to customer specifications.
Inline sieving removes remaining particles before deaeration.
Deaeration removes air to protect color, flavor, and heat transfer. Buffering stabilizes flow for consistent downstream processing. Accurate flow control supports precise thermal processing. Gentle blending ensures uniform composition without over-shearing. In-process samples verify specifications before heat treatment. Specification checks confirm readiness for thermal processing. Controlled feeding prepares the puree for critical heat treatment. Time and temperature are tightly controlled at this critical control point.
Automatic diversion protects food safety if limits are not met.
Rapid cooling preserves quality after heat treatment.
Aseptic holding maintains sterility before filling.
Sealing and coating complete product identity and traceability. Automated check weighing confirms each drum meets specification. Vision inspection verifies seal integrity before release. X-ray inspection provides final foreign body assurance for packed product. Palletizing prepares finished product for safe handling and storage.
The audio features the distinct, continuous whirring and mechanical rotation of a large machine.
Pallet ID matches. This load is ready for dispatch.
Copy that. Bring it inside.
Selected seeds and trim enter the dedicated fiber byproduct process. Dewatering reduces moisture before thermal drying of fiber. Controlled drying stabilizes fiber for milling. Drying reaches target moisture to ensure shelf stability. Milling reduces dried fiber to a usable powder form. Fats and fine solids to protect biological treatment.
What is the current DO level? It's holding at 2.5 milligrams per liter. Stable.
Sludge dewatering ensures hygienic conditions before the next run.
Final rinse confirms removal of cleaning chemicals before line release.
Normal line release authorizes safe startup for the next batch.
Documentation finalizes traceability for shipped product. The production run concludes with all streams properly closed. Empty containers are segregated to prevent cross-contact with food areas.
Organic waste is sealed and staged for off-site disposal.
Routine inspection supports reliability and food safety.
Controlled chemical storage protects personnel and product safety.
We've completed the batch record review. Everything checks out with the KPIs.
Confirmed.
Moving these to archives.
Continuous monitoring confirms storage conditions remain within specification. Fiber byproduct is dispatched through a segregated logistics stream. Separate logistics flows prevent cross-contamination and maintain control. After dispatch, the facility is secured and awaits the next production schedule.
All right, let's review the schedule for the next run.
Data confirms the last one is complete. We are good to go.
Secure archiving preserves full traceability for audits. Proper exit hygiene maintains site-wide sanitation control. Site is secured after a completed production day. Sanitation verification confirms readiness without product present.
Routine pest checks protect hygiene between runs.
Utilities are monitored in standby to ensure stability and efficiency. Calibration maintains accuracy for future production and CCPs.
This section covers the updated safety protocols.
Does this apply to the night shift as well?
Yes, it's mandatory for all shifts. Please sign the acknowledgement.
Raw material areas are cleared and marked ready after the completed run. Compaction.
Pay attention to the log-in, slide-out procedures. We're proud of this zero incident record. Let's maintain it.
Agreed. Ensure you sign off on the tablet before heading out.
Controlled SOP updates ensure consistent future operations.
The bell pepper processing run is formally closed.
Routine. The aseptic bell pepper puree shipment departs, completing the production cycle. Finished product exits the site under controlled release.